This is my DVD burner, and it's not reading discs, and it won't burn discs. So I thought I'd make a video of me taking it apart and cleaning the laser, because I think that's all that's wrong with it. And all you need is a cotton swab and a screwdriver and a paper clip. I don't know if you can see that paper clip or not, but I have it straightened out, and I have a little hook on one end. You won't need that little hook, but you just need this because you have to open the door, and I've already disassembled this a bit, but there's 4 screws. You take those 4 screws out and you can just lift that panel off. And just to make it a little simpler, I've already taken off this circuit board and unhooked all these ribbon cables, just to get it out of there and out of the way. And the laser's right here, but we can't clean it from this side. We have to take this whole thing out to get at it. So what you have to do is you got to open the door first, and there's a little hole right there, and it might be in a different place on other ones, but that's where it is. And you just push the pin in, open up the door, and then you should be able to take this faceplate off. And you probably won't have to take it totally off, just off enough disconnected from the shell so you can get the rest of it out, and then just pull that off like that. Set that aside. So then put down your thing, and there's a laser. And I always take mine apart and clean them by hand with the rubbing alcohol. And I have my rubbing alcohol stored in this old Crown Royal things. I thought they're a cool looking bottle. So anyway, you just take your cotton swab, dip it in the rubbing alcohol, and you don't need a lot on there, but this is kind of a big bottle, so it's kind of hard to get it. But anyway, just lightly clean the laser, and you probably won't notice any dirt come off of it or anything like that, but most likely there is. And with the dry side, just dry it off. And I'm going to do this a couple of times because I don't want to have to take this apart again, so I'm just gonna try it twice just to make sure that it's gonna clean it. And this DVD burner is to the computer that I'm actually using right now, so I can't actually make a video of putting it back in and together or whatever, but I'll put it back together right now so that you can see. I probably didn't have to take this off, but I just wanted to show the laser from the other side. So that's basically all there is to it, and you just put everything back together. And I won't bother showing you putting it back together because it's basically just the reverse of taking it apart, but I just wanted to show how to clean the laser, and it's basically the same for anything that has a drive in it that has a laser. So most things you don't have to take the drive totally apart, but anyway, that's how you clean a CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, laser, or whatever.